Next, in JavaScript, we are going to do for of loop. Initially, we have done for in loop, which was used to iterate over object. We can also use for in loop for to iterate over arrays and strings, but for that purpose in JavaScript, we are provided with for of loop. So here I'm creating a file. Name is for of loop dot html. It's our emmet code. Now after closing of this body tag, here we are giving script tag, and within this script tag we are going to do all our JavaScript. So here I'm declaring a variable. I'm naming it as x equals to. Now for in loop was used to iterate over object, and for arrays and string we are provided with for of loop. So here I'm declaring array of numbers 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's an array. Now we want to iterate over this array. So for, now inside this I'm declaring one variable, and name of that variable I'm giving here is I. For let I of, now it is going to iterate over the above array, this x. So here we have to give that variable x, and we want to print it on console.log, and here we are putting I. Save and go live. As we have printed it on console, so here we can see that it has printed all the array elements from 1 to 6. Now if we have array of a string, so for that here I'm declaring variable items, and here we are providing different items. First is pen, second is pencil, third one here I'm giving is eraser, fourth one here I'm giving is sharpener, and so this is our array of 4 elements. Now we need to iterate over it. So again, for here for items I'm taking variable it. Let it of, here the variable name is items, and console.log, here we have to print it. Save, and we can see that here it has displayed our result: pen, pencil, eraser and sharpener. Next we can iterate over string as well. So here I'm declaring a string. Let name of that string is name, variable is name only, equals to, and here within double quotes we are giving string. String is JavaScript. Now we need to iterate over it. So again, for that I'm taking variable let n of, and here the variable name is name, and we need to print each and every character of string. Console.log, and here we have to print n. So here we can see on console that it has printed JAVASCRIPT. So this first loop we iterate over array of numbers, second was array of string, and third we iterate over string itself. So for of loop is basically used to iterate over arrays and string.